Mom knows everything. Why does it always have to be mom? Why not dad? Dads are equally important and responsible for parenting a kid. Here we are going to give a few parenting tips for all the wonderful fathers out there on how to master their parenting skills. Maybe this is your chance to have a win-win over your wife. It's worth a try. The moment you become a parent, be ready to get bombarded with all the parenting advice from family, relatives, and friends. This phase can be equally intimidating for moms and dads. This is going to be your trial and error experience. But the good news is, we are going to pull you out from all the disappointments and guide you right. Spend your spare time with them. Money can give you a luxurious life, but it cannot buy you happiness. We all lead a robotic life nowadays, where we barely spend time with our little ones. So when you head home, make sure you keep everything aside and give your valuable time for your kid. Create memories to cherish for a lifetime. Give them hugs. One of the cutest parenting tips for dads. Instead of getting angry at your kid, how about you hug it out? Sometimes affection works as the best medicine to cure all the problems for you and your little ones. Do the mom stuff. Lend a helping hand to your wife in changing diapers, feeding, rocking kids to sleep. Don't get me wrong, I wasn't talking about the ways to please your wife. These are the ways to build a strong bond with your kid. Let them bleed. Watching your kid get hurt may be heart-wrenching for you. But that's absolutely fine, as they need to pick themselves up when they come across various challenges in life. No pain, no gain. It's as simple as that. Push your kids to learn new things in life by bringing them out of their comfort zone. Being a lenient dad is not the right way to mold your kids. It's okay to be a strict dad, but that is not going to make them love you any lesser. It's okay to struggle. Obstacles will arise in life. It's up to us to learn from our mistakes and move forward in life. You are doing good, but never stop trying to be the best. That's how you roll in to become your kid's superhero. Discipline with love and positive parenting is one of the tips dads should practice. Earlier, the better. Dads should always guide their kids to have a positive approach in life. Teach your kids to be disciplined. Make them aware of the consequences of their actions. One day they will realize it was all for good. Be your child's role model. A role model for your kids may sound like a lifetime commitment, so you better don't screw it up. But how? The world may seem like a scary place, and it's in your hands to instill confidence and courage in your kids. Having a loving and protective dad may help your child to identify what's right and wrong in their life. Honesty, humility, and responsibility. Follow these 3 mantras in front of your kids. Let this be a driving force for them to become humane. Stand by their mom. Kids are shrewd observers, so try to avoid conflicts with your wife in front of them. We all live in a world where we tend to blame each other for all the miseries that happen in our life. So don't be a reason for it. Be kind, respectful, and loving towards your wife. Help your kids live with high standards and self-esteem. Teach them about finances. You don't want your kid to go into the same world knowing as little as you did, do you? So teach them at an early age the following: value of money, how to save money, how to earn it, how to manage it properly. That's how you do it, and you can be your kids' financial advisor too. Give them a good read. Knowledge is something that stays with your kids for a long time. It doesn't require bulk sum of money or effort to gain it. All you need is a little time, personal space, and the right choice of book. Maybe it's time that you take a break from all the hustles and bustles to relive your childhood days by reading out your favorite tales to them. This is not just a message for all the dads around the world, but for all those stepping into parenthood too. Holding your little one for the first time in those arms certainly brings a sense of newness. Even though the path may be filled with hurdles and hardships, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing your kids soar through life.